Hey everyone, this is Kevin T. Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Welcome to my media channel, and today we're going to do an unboxing of another Best Buy exclusive Steelbook. Well, actually, I don't know if this is a Best Buy exclusive, but it is a Steelbook, and it's of Babylon, Damien Chazelle's huge flop about debauchery in Hollywood. I know a lot of people hated this movie. I personally liked it quite a bit. I think it definitely succeeded in what it set out to do and be, but I also knew it wouldn't particularly be very popular, and there was another reason why it didn't make a lot of money. We'll get to that in a second. One of the things that I like about this right from the get-go is that there's a sticker here. Experience movie making magic with over 40 minutes of special features. People keep forgetting that physical media really made special features popular and was one of the main draws on buying physical media. And with special features disappearing from streaming sites, because why would you making of stuff for a streaming site for the most part, I'm glad to see that when they're selling a disc, they're highlighting that. So let's take a look at the side. We've got, it says Babylon in the Paramount logo, obviously. We have the back. I love the pictures that they're doing. This is actually a 3-disc set with 2 Blu-rays and 1 4K. That is amazing when they give like a whole disc just to special features. That's amazing. I love this R rating, and you look at all the stuff that's wrong with this. Like, how did this movie not get an NC-17 rating? I just do not know. By the way, if you want to know why a lot of people didn't take time to go see it, and this is why. A little over 3 hours long. And yes, this movie could have easily been 20 minutes, at least 20 minutes shorter. But that said, I wasn't bored exactly. So let's open this and see what this Steelbook looks like opened. The thing about opening Steelbooks is because a lot of them become collector's items, so it's like when you open it, it's like, am I opening some of the retirement funds? But you know what? Some people don't do that, and for them, I am here. They can see what it looks like on the inside. So this is the back. And oh, that's really reflective. You can kind of see me there. But I love that little shatter thing. This is not a scratch. That's part of the design. I see the digital code. Let me open it real quick and take it out. By the way, another thing that's kind of cool about this, the code's on the other side, and you're not going to see that, but I love that they are advertising older films with this release. This is a new release, but because it's about old-time Hollywood, they want to actually advertise some of the classic movies. Well, kind of that one's a weird classic. They want to advertise some of the classic movies that they are also selling. So let's take a look inside, and well, you can see which one's the Ultra. I mean, obviously the disc art, really boring. That is really, really boring. Especially after I just unboxed the Jujutsu Kaisen Zero, and you see the beautiful artwork. I kind of wish studios would put more effort onto their discs, but I'm also glad they're just making discs at all anymore. And yeah, I guess that's an appropriate picture. You're literally holding up Margot Robbie there, so I mean, and I guess without this being on the back, they want to preserve that image for the collector. So yeah, okay, that makes sense. Now I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna put the 4K on this side, and I'm gonna put the special features here because I would be using, if I'm gonna watch it, I'm obviously gonna watch that version. And here's the Blu-ray. Now, a little surprised again, and I personally am surprised they put 3 discs in this. With the digital copy, I think they would have saved a Blu-ray and just made it 2 discs. One for the Ultra HD and one for the special features. I don't know, but at the same time, it is kind of appreciated. It's not often you get a 3-disc set when you buy a movie these days. So anyway, that is the Babylon Steelbook. I did say at the beginning that was a Best Buy exclusive. That might not be true. I didn't see the Best Buy exclusive sticker. You might actually be able to get this anywhere, at least while the supplies last. Again, Steelbooks tend to go out of print relatively soon. That's why they become collector's items to a lot of movie fans. But Yeah, a very divisive movie, but that's a very nice set. I'm going to be glad to have that on the shelf. But now I have to ask you the question, do you own this set? Are you going to get this set? I'd love to know. Comment below, like, favorite, share, subscribe, and as always, flame responsibly. Have a good one.